is of monumental importance. It has never, ever been done before in World Championship.
This could be the decision on the World
Championship. And it all has happened within the last 48 hours.
This could be the World
Within the last 48 hours, ladies and gentlemen, Executive Vice President of World Championship Wrestling, Jim Herd, and the Championship Committee have stripped Nature Boy Ric Flair of his WCW Heavyweight Championship belt.
The fans are irate. The fans are angry.
Nature Boy Ric Flair is no longer the World Heavyweight Champion.
I'll tell you, Maniacal, I would not be wrestling. I would not be surprised if Ric Flair never appears in World Championship Wrestling again.
Especially after a travesty like this. Monumental proportions and stuff. I mean,
the fans are irate.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, as I understand it, reasons having to do with contractual disputes. Now, as you know, next Sunday, the Great American Bash pay-per-view is all set to take place. And ladies and gentlemen, in Baltimore, after a meeting of the Executive Vice President, Jim Herd, and his Championship Committee,
let's see what they have
the Giants Steel Cage will go up for the main event, and the #1 contender, total package, Lex Luger, will be there.
Who's he